I am not the richest. I am not the most beautiful. I am not the stylist. I can't afford all the things that I want, but I don't pretend to be all of those. I am happy with what God gave me. People say a good heart will always be happy, but I think a good heart most of the time get hurt very badly because it expects only good things from others. That ones who loves you will never leave you ever. If there are 100 reasons to give up, they will find a one reason to hold on. Lovely thing to learn from water. Adjust, adjust yourself in every situation and every step, but most in personally find to one way to flow. A happy person is happy not because everything is right, it is life. He or she is happy because they are in attitude towards everything is his life is right. If everyone is happy with you, then surely you have many compromise in your life. And if you are happy with everyone, then surely you have ignored many faults of others. Most of the happy women don't have men in their lives. Before you speak, think twice. True, his which helpful is it impressing necessary in times spray to kindness. Mathematics may not teach us how to add happiness or how to means sadness, but it teaches us one in protect things. Every problem has a solution. A person most useful asset is not head full of knowledge, but a heart full of love. In and really a hand to kindness. Not every people around you are meant to be forever. So accept the truth and move on. Sometimes we don't need advice, we just need somebody to listen. Every little smile can touch somebody's heart. No one is born happy, but all of us are born with the ability to create happiness and be happy. You are on exercise, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in present. Never choose me without understanding, and never lose me because of misunderstanding. I may be wrong so many times and somewhere, but every time mentioned everywhere. The true tongue has no bones, but listen strong enough to break heart. So be careful. So your words. Life is very beautiful. 1 minute, 1 hour, and 1 day will not come again in your life. So enjoy your life with happiness. The universe says, Stay pre- present. My time is perfect. I have something bigger planned for you. Your life will be filled with blessings such and growth. Trust me, you are loved. One day you will at the place you always wanted to be. Don't stop believing. Black color is sometime lady bad, but every blackboard makes the student's life bright. People will always notice change in your attitude towards them, but will never notice it's their behavior that made you change. Caring for someone is easy, but make someone care for you is difficult. So never want the one who really cares for you. Life is very complicated. Don't try to find answer because when you find answer, life change the question. Pain is not always in tears. Sometimes it's present in smile. Best advice in 2 lines. Silence is best lesson for all questions. Smile is best reaction in every situation.